Understand and write, everybody. Okay, understood, no problem. Everything read from basic, everything. You will feel easy, everything. After some days, you will enjoy maths. Hereafter, types of function we will see. In definition of function, I told every elements of A associating with whatever rule have, whatever function have, and getting unique image in codomain. Now, in this definition, just I will add unique and distinct image. Suppose 3 person have ABC, everybody giving, suppose same order giving apple juice, apple juice, apple juice, correct? Same. But this apple juice is unique for all. For you also unique, for her also, for her also. But hereafter, this is called a function. But hereafter we need separate, unique and separate. Apple juice, mango juice, guava juice. This is called a 1-1 function. All are unique giving, separate. Unique and distinct. All are unique only already. Whatever image getting you are, all are unique only, no doubt. But hereafter unique and distinct. That is called a 1-1 function. Okay. don't fear by any definition. By name don't fear. So here I will write a function anything here remaining going, no problem, but every element of A has unique and distinct image in codomain. That is called a 1-1 function. Hereafter same definition I will write, means 1-1 function definition by graph representation. Now by graphically representation I am going, function is our 1-1 or not, like that. So first this is a function, then we are deciding 1-1 or not. So here we have to go function of x or function of y. For before I gave graphically representation for function, deciding who is function of x, who is function of y. But now function is there, have means function of x, function of y, anything you choose. After that you take a straight line. But here after a straight line we will choose parallel with whatever domain have, that itself. Meaning, just suppose that I will choose, this is my function and this is a function of x, correct? And suppose I will choose this graph. This graph means function of y. Now I am choosing. I verified who is function of x, who is not function of x, who is function of y, who is not function of y. But now function of x or function of y, function have to choose. So both graph is correct now. But this is not, above is not function of y, lower is not function of x. But function I choose y equal to fx and x is equal to fy. Hereafter I will choose, here x-axis domain have, x-axis domain, here y-axis domain. Above definition, when domain means domain opposite parallel we choose. If x-axis domain means parallel with y-axis, y-axis domain means parallel with x-axis, correct? But here whatever domain parallel with that we will choose. So here straight line I choose parallel with a domain. Hereafter we have to choose range, not a domain. Domain already defined have. We have to choose for which domain same range we are getting, then only not 1-1. If distinct and unique means distinct image getting, then 1-1. Okay, you see parallel with x-axis I choose, my range value is this. Suppose this is 1. So 2 cut point coming on curve. So this is suppose anything, suppose this is A and this is minus A. So at A we are getting 1 and at minus A also I am getting 1. So by graph if you will see, by graph you will go A and minus A 2 domain point, but same range is there 1. So this is not 1-1. Unique image have but not distinct. A also 1, minus A also 1. Next you see here y-axis domain, here also same I will do. I need range, so range is x-axis. So range cut point coming means now this is the fix. Suppose this is 1, this is same I will choose B and this is minus B. So at B also 1, at minus B also 1, here and here. So 2 domain point, at domain point is same range value getting. So this is also not function A, not 1-1. B and minus B same at 1, at B means B1 and minus b also 1. So this is not 1 1. Suppose I will choose my graph like this. This is my graph. My domain value is deciding 0 to infinite. Graph is not this side, no. So domain is, leave it. Domain also now no, don't want. 1 1 we are discussing. Here after my x-axis is domain. So suppose I will choose my parallel with domain itself. Straight line parallel with domain. So you can see that our domain curve cut point getting single cut point. Single cut point. Means here domain is suppose 1 and this is 1. So at 1 only we are getting. Suppose this is 2, then at 2 only getting. Suppose this is 3, at 3 only getting. Or ABC, A, B, C. Single cut point going on every domain value. So unique and distinct. Suppose 3 cut point have ABC, here 1, 2 and 3 getting. So at A 1, at B 2, at C 3 I am getting. So this is 1 1. Okay. So now I will write again definition of 1 1 function by graphically representation. So first here decide have, let function is our x function, given have. Next state line, parallel with domain axis. Okay, and means after straight line cuts at single point on curve, then given function is 1 1 function, otherwise not 1 1. Otherwise meaning cuts at more than 1 point. Okay, same I will decide function of y, x is equal to f of y, and again a straight line parallel with domain. Here domain is y axis. After that cuts at single point on curve, then our x is equal to f of y is 1 1 function. Otherwise meaning cuts at more than 1 point on curve. Curve means that f of x is equal to f of y. Then x is equal to f of y is not 1 1 function. Okay. Pain coming. When this will use, don't know. Okay, this is 1 1 function definition, graphical representation. Don't forget this and all, very useful. Have to write from 1 1 function, type of function, right?